Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to play Hell Yeah on guitar with an easy guide. We will begin by learning the 4 essential open chords needed for this song: G major, C major, D major, and F major. These are common chords that form the backbone of many popular tunes. Make sure your guitar is tuned to standard E-A-D-G-B-E. Focus on pressing down each string firmly to get a clear, ringing sound from every note. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A simple yet effective rhythm for Hell Yeah is down, down, up, up, down, up. Practice this pattern slowly, ensuring a steady tempo. Remember to keep your strumming hand loose and relaxed. This helps create a natural, flowing sound. Aim to hit all 6 strings evenly with each strum, giving the chords a full and vibrant tone. Now, let's work on smooth chord transitions. The key to playing any song well is changing chords seamlessly. Practice moving between G, C, D, and F very slowly at first. Try to anticipate the next chord, preparing your fingers just before the change. Using a metronome set to a slow pace, perhaps 60 beats per minute, will greatly help you maintain a consistent rhythm and improve your accuracy. Finally, it's time to put everything together and play along. Start by combining your chords and the strumming pattern at a slow, comfortable speed. Listen closely to the original song to get a feel for its rhythm and energy. Remember, consistent practice is crucial. Even dedicating just 10 minutes each day will significantly improve your guitar playing skills and have you rocking out to Hell Yeah in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.